Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you guys the journals that are coming in the Dream Journal kits. And so if you've been paying attention a while back on my Instagram, I showed the journals I was going to put in the boxes, but I actually upgraded the journals to this journal that you're looking at today. And so this is the journal that you're going to get in your Dream Journal kit, in which you'll be able to use to make your dream journal. And so for those of you who might be a little bit lost, what a dream journal is it's basically a vision board inside of a journal, using like a scrap or a junk journaling style technique, right? So it's like instead of junk journaling, you're journaling about your vision and the things you want to manifest in your dream relationship and your dream life. And so this journal here has over 100 pages. It's got this little slit in the front where you can kind of slip one of the images that you get in your kit. And so I thought that was really, really cool. The last journal didn't have that, and so that's kind of the main reason I wanted to upgrade the journals. The pages of the journals are pretty thick. They are like cardstock. They've got like a cardstock weight to them, and so I felt like that was kind of the perfect kind of paper for scrapbooking, because obviously we work with lace and rhinestones and glitter, and so you kind of want a page that's sturdy enough to hold all that up. And if you guys look at the front cover, it's kind of ivory and pearl. It's got this little shimmer to it, which is so cute. And I decided to go with a white journal because I felt like it was the most plain template for you guys to kind of decorate your journals with jewels and rhinestones and pictures and stickers and everything else. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned, because in the next video, I will show you guys how I made this beautiful page using the Rich Girls Online Dream Journal Kit and Craft Box. Bye!
Bye bye.